Hello there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on the concept of string concatenation in PHP. Before we start with our tutorial video, I would like to say many thanks to all my subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel, please hit the notification bell so that you will be notified my newly uploaded video. Click share, comment, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Let's get started. When I was started learning PHP as my programming language for the web development, I find some confusion that PHP language has many commands. Some of them are very important in the development process of an web application. One of the basic concepts that I would like to share with you guys in this video is how to concatenate string. Now here, we have here in my text editor, so we have here a comment. We started with less than question mark PHP, the starting tag in PHP, and then we have here $title equals value. So we have here introduction, $title dot period or dot equals PHP, and then the third line will be the same, $title dot equals programming. So what is the dot symbol do is to combine all the three string in our program. Now here, echo double quotation header 4 string concatenation in PHP / header 4. Now to distinguish the difference with them, I just type echo to display, double quotation, HTML tag italic, enclosed with /i, double quotation, and semicolon, and then I enclose with question mark and greater than. Before we run our program, make sure that the Apache web server, if you are using some, is running, or else it will create an error. Now we have already confirmed that the Apache web server is running, so let us minimize, and then here localhost /concat is the name of the folder, and then I press the enter key. Voila! So you have already seen the titles string concatenation in PHP, introduction to PHP programming. Okay, let us repeat again. Okay, so we have here the result. So if I will add another line, let's say $title dot equals by, let's say the author, by yours truly, by Jake R. Pomperada, Ctrl S to save. All we need to do is to refresh our browser. Okay, what happened? I forgot to put a semicolon at the end. Okay, so here we go. So string concatenation in PHP, introduction to PHP by Jake R. Pomperada. So here is the code. So if you want, so that's very simple on how to use concatenation that equals in PHP. I hope that you learned a new technique or tricks in PHP programming that is very important if we are new with web development using PHP as your programming language. Before I end, I would like to say thank you so much for watching this tutorial video. If you like this video tutorial, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video tutorial. This is your friend Jake. Bye bye for now.